Now listen, if your jingle sound unclear, low, and noisy, then this episode is for you. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is AJALA and this is AJALA'S channel. Your home for creative tutorial where we learn, we create and we grow together. Last episode we learned about how to write a short, catchy radio jingle script. And in this episode I will be teaching you on how to record clearly using your smartphone. This episode is very important because even a good script might sound bad if it is recorded poorly. We'll be going on a commercial break, and after the break, we'll be looking into two things. We will be looking at the equipment that we'll be using and also what we need to do before we press record. So stay tuned.
To record clearly with your phone, you need a quiet environment, a smartphone, you need a lapel mic, and also your jingle script. Before you press record, your environment matters. Choose a quiet place, close the window. If your room has echo, stand close to the curtain or a wall with clothes. It helps absorb sound. Hold your phone and place it on a tripod. The phone should be about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. That is not too close and not too far. When recording a radio jingle, your voice must be clear, confident, and energetic. Then read your script slowly. Don't rush, and if you make a mistake, pause and start that line again. Let me give you a simple example. Welcome to AJALA'S channel, your home of creative tutorial. Learn, create, and grow with AJALA. Is how simple and clear your recording should be.
We have come to the end of today's episode, and in my next video, which is episode 4, I will teach you on how to design a radio jingle cover using the app called Pixel App. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you are watching this content, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that when I drop that content, you will be notified. I see you in my next video. Bye.